Hey friends, if a lot of users are complaining that Ethernet is not working in Windows 11, see, Windows 11 can be installed on computers with newer configurations, with better configurations, and 99% of them do not even have an Ethernet port. So if they do not have an Ethernet port, when you search for device manager and open the device manager and expand the list of network adapters, you will not find any Ethernet drivers here. If you do not find any Ethernet drivers here, it means that Ethernet cannot be connected. So there is no solution to that, but obviously if it exists, then you can search, update the drivers, and I'll show you how to do that. You can, I'll show it on the Wi-Fi driver, right click and update the drivers. Okay. So you can do it for the Ethernet drivers if you have them on your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.